Hey everyone, happy Thanksgiving! So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really simple origami slice of pumpkin pie. And doesn't it look delicious? Yep. So I'm going to show you how to make this slice of pumpkin pie. And what's really cool about it is that if you make a bunch of them, you can make yourself a whole pie, like that. And alright, so I'm going to show you how to fold this. Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so to fold this delicious slice of pumpkin pie, I'm going to use a sheet of 6-inch kami. So you could use any square paper to fold this, just make sure that you use paper that's white or a different color on one side. So you'll have the crust. So let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. Unfold, and make a kite base. So yeah, my parents made pumpkin pie, pecan pie, coconut cream pie, turkey of course, mashed potatoes and other stuff. Other delicious stuff. Okay, turn over and fold in between these 2 points. Okay, unfold and fold to the crease you just made. Okay, and now fold this edge to this crease and hold this down so it doesn't slide like that. Okay, and now fold it up like this. Okay, so this is the crust and this is the pie. So let's turn over and fold this corner to the top. Okay, and if you want, this is optional, and I think this model, it makes it a bit cleaner. So if you don't want this flap underneath it, and it doesn't really matter because this is the underside of the pie, and you're not going to look at that side. But if you don't want this flap under there, you can eliminate that flap like this by sinking it. And this is really up to you, so you can skip to this point if you don't want to do this. So unfold here. And we're just going to just open here like this, turn over, and we're just going to pinch these creases mountains. So we're just open sinking this, like this. Alright? And then now, bring it like this, and valley fold on that crease, and that crease like this. Alright? And that just makes it a little bit cleaner underneath. But, you know, that's not necessary. You don't really have to do that. Okay, now stay on this side and take this corner and fold it to the middle, and you really just need to make a crease mark right there. And now we're going to make a fold connecting from the crease mark to the middle point right there, like this. Okay, this is probably the hardest step of the whole model. I'm going to say. Okay, and crease that nice and sharp. Alright, unfold, and repeat on this side. So we're going to make the crease mark in the middle there. So fold like this, make a crease mark, and make a fold connecting from the crease mark to here. So it's a diagonal fold. Okay, unfold. Don't unfold that flap. Now take this edge and fold it to this crease. And take this edge and fold it to the crease. And then fold it up like that. Okay, and you can just unfold it so it's like a 90-degree angle right there at the corner. And same on this side. Here we go. So fold like this. And then fold to the crease. Make sure you kind of hold this part down so that white part doesn't slide. And then fold up like this. Okay. And then now, just make it like a 90-degree angle right there, at least. And now turn over, and there it is. There's your origami slice of pumpkin pie. And yeah, it sure does look tasty. So yeah, I think pumpkin pie and pecan pie are my favorite pies out of all. I never tried coconut cream pie before, but it sure sounds really good. And that might, I have a feeling that coconut cream pie might be one of my new favorites. So yeah, so there it is, the origami pumpkin pie, and you can just make, you can make a whole bunch of pieces. These ones I folded from 5-inch squares. These ones right here. So I just took a couple 10-inch squares and I folded them into fourths and then cut out the squares. And I just made a bunch of pumpkin pie pieces out of them. See? And then you can just put them together like this into a circle. And now you have a whole pumpkin pie. So yeah, there it is. There's a little extra right there, and extra right there. And yeah. And if you want to fold other Thanksgiving models, you can click right here in the card or in the description below. And once you've folded your pumpkin pie, maybe next, make an origami turkey leg. And for that model, click right there. And maybe might as well make a whole origami turkey too. And I did make a tutorial for that right there. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and enjoyed folding this pumpkin pie. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, happy Thanksgiving.